Samsung took center stage at its Korean launch event, unveiling a trio of exciting fan edition FE devices, including the highly anticipated Galaxy S23 FE smartphone and the Galaxy Tab S9 FE series. But one of the standout stars of the show was the newly introduced Galaxy Buds FE, catering to the audio enthusiasts and fans of Samsung's technology ecosystem. The Galaxy Buds FE is all about delivering a superior audio experience. These earbuds are developed to immerse you in your favorite music with deep, rich bass that ensures every note and beat is as the artist intended it to be. Regardless of your musical taste, these earbuds promise an unparalleled audio journey. What sets these earbuds apart is their commitment to giving you total control over your auditory experience. The Galaxy Buds FE offers active noise cancellation technology, allowing you to block out the distractions of the outside world and fully immerse yourself in your music or podcasts. On the flip side, the ambient sound option ensures you can stay connected to your surroundings when you need to, enhancing your safety and awareness during outdoor activities. Communication is a key aspect of modern earbuds, and Samsung understands this well. The Galaxy Buds FE boasts an advanced 3-microphone system that ensures your voice comes through crisp and clear during phone calls and video conferences. Thanks to a powered deep neural network or DNN, background noise is effectively minimized, allowing for crystal clear conversations even in noisy environments. When it comes to on-the-go listening, battery life is crucial. The Galaxy Buds FE delivers with up to 8.5 hours of playback on a single charge, and when you include the charging case, that extends to a remarkable 30 hours. This means you can confidently take these earbuds on long journeys or indulge in extended listening sessions without constantly worrying about recharging. Samsung has prioritized user comfort and durability in the appearance of the Galaxy Buds FE. These earbuds are developed for extended wear, with multiple ear tip and wingtip dimensions, to ensure a personalized and comfortable fit for every user. They are equipped with a convenient USB-C port for charging, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, and come with an IPX2 water resistance rating, providing protection against splashes and sweat during workouts or outdoor adventures. If you're eager to elevate your audio experience with the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, the wait is nearly over. These exceptional earbuds will be available in 2 elegant color options, graphite and white. Whether you prefer a sleek and understated look or a clean and classic aesthetic, there's a color choice to suit your style. Starting from October 10, 2023, these impressive earbuds will be within your reach, priced at just $99. This competitive price point ensures that you can enjoy top-notch sound quality, advanced features, and a comfortable appearance without breaking the bank. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE represents a stellar addition to the company's fan edition lineup, promising an exceptional audio experience, advanced features for sound control, clear communication, impressive battery life, and a comfortable, durable appearance. For those who demand excellence in their audio accessories, the Galaxy Buds FE is poised to be a compelling choice. What do you say about the new earbuds? Write your opinion in the comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.